Hi, everyone! How are you? In this video, I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Macadamia. I am also known as Queensland nut, bush nut, Margie nut, bopple nut, and Hawaii nut. I belongs to the Proteaceae family. There are about 4 different species of macadamia trees. Only 2 of these, Macadamia integrifolia and Macadamia tetraphylla, produce nuts that are edible. Macadamia integrifolia, this is the most common species, known for its smooth-shelled nuts. Macadamia tetraphylla, this species produces nuts with a rougher shell texture and a slightly different flavor compared to M. integrifolia. I have a tough green shell outside and a white marble-sized nut inside. People pick me up from the ground because shaking the tree can drop unripe nuts. When you eat me fresh from the tree, I'm creamy, similar to fresh coconut. But for storage and shipping, I have to be dried. Even when dried, I keep my yummy buttery taste. Beaumont is a great nut tree for your backyard. It grows tasty nuts. It takes about 8 years to grow fully, but you can get yummy nuts in just 4 to 5 years. Each tree can give you around 18 kilograms of nuts. I offer several amazing benefits due to my nutrient-rich profile. I am a great source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is heart healthy. I provide a moderate amount of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall health. I contain dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. I am rich in various vitamins, including vitamin B1 thiamine, vitamin B6, and folate, supporting energy metabolism. I am a source of essential minerals like magnesium, manganese, and iron, vital for various bodily functions. I contain antioxidants like flavonoids and tocopherols, which help protect cells from oxidative damage. I can lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. The amount of fiber and protein found in meat may reduce feelings of hunger and help you feel full, which may support weight loss. I contribute to bone health due to my calcium and phosphorus content. My nut oil, derived from me, is used in skincare for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Remember that while I offer many benefits, I am calorie dense, so consume me in moderation as part of a balanced diet. To reap these advantages, I am native to Australia. I can grow up to 60 feet tall. My trees are hermaphrodites, meaning I have both male and female reproductive organs on the same tree. I am named after John Macadam, a Scottish-Australian chemist. I am incredibly hard. It takes 300 pounds per square inch of pressure to crack my shell. The first commercial macadamia nut plantation was established in Hawaii in the late 19th century. I am one of the most expensive nuts in the world due to my difficulty in harvesting. My oil is used in cosmetics and skincare products. My oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for cooking. I have a deep root system, making me drought tolerant. I produce small, delicate flowers. I am sometimes referred to as the queen of nuts. I am typically harvested by hand. I can take up to 7 years to produce nuts. My shells can be used as fuel. My wood is prized for its beauty and durability. Australia, South Africa, and Hawaii are the major global producers of macadamias. I am a staple in Hawaiian cuisine. I can be used in savory dishes like salads and stir-fries. I am sometimes coated in various flavors like honey or chocolate. I have a sweet and buttery flavor. I am often used in baking, especially in cookies. Once mature, my trees will produce nuts for many years and can live to be 100 years old. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.